Closing markets for Thursday, February the 4th. Grains opened about unchanged last night, rallied to make new highs in corn for the fifth time out of 7 trading sessions, sold off and traded lower. And at the end of the day, the markets closed mixed, with corn down 2 on old crop, up 1 on new, wheat down 9 cents, soybeans up 1 on old crop, and up 4 cents on new crop. USDA released the export sales for last week, with corn sales a new record, up over 50% over the previous record. Corn sales for the week were 292.8 million bushels, with China purchasing about 230 million, so still good sales otherwise at 62.8 million. Sales for the week the previous week were 72.8, last year at 38.1, with 236 to 307 expected and only 17.5 million bushels per week needed. We currently have 1.42 billion bushels of corn sold that is unshipped, compared to 467 million last year, so almost a billion bushels more. Soybean sales were 30.3 million, up from 17.1 million the previous week and 23.0 a year ago, with 11 to 28 expected and only 1.4 needed per week. We have now sold 98% of the soybeans that the USDA has projected for the year. You got to believe we're probably going to surpass that number at some point. Currently unshipped beans are 409 million compared to 202 a year ago. Wheat sales were 23.6 million, up from 14.0 the week before and 12.4 last year, with 9 to 26 expected and 2.3 million needed per week. Unshipped wheat is 235 million compared to a year ago at 189. Rio Grande do Sul received 1.5 to 1.5 inches of rain yesterday, with the balance of Brazil getting 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. Brazil's ag minister is now projecting the soybean crop in Brazil to be at 132 to 133 million metric tons. That's above last year, a new record crop for them if it stays at that number. Argentina is looking to be drier over the next week to 10 days. In other market news, the dollar traded up 387 points, trading at 91,535. Gold down $40 an ounce, and silver down $630 an ounce, or 63 cents an ounce. So it looks like Reddit continued to exit the commodities and those markets. Crude oil, another strong day, up 66 cents at 56.35. And the Dow futures are up 354, NASDAQ up 164, and S&P 44 for the day. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good evening.